Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces. All the...
Hello sa lahat, nandito naman ako para sa tanong mo, sagot ko. Our question of the day is, paano maglapag ng channel link sa live stream? Ang tanong na to is from Ami Lifestyle. Ito yung tanong ni Ami. Paano maglapag ng link sa live stream without video? So, sana ay masagot ko yung tanong mo. Here are the steps on how to drop your channel link. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa video ni Kakang Dilakan. So, maglapag tayo ng link ngayon ng channel ko. Number 1, go to your home channel. Number 2, press the 3 dots at the upper right corner of the screen. Number 3, select share on the option below. 4, choose copy link. Number 5, go to the people who is doing live streaming and ask them if you can drop your link. Number 6, just long press to the chat box and click paste. So you will paste your link in that chat box as you can see in the video. Number 7, write any message you want beside your channel link. Number 8, the last one, press enter. Ayan, nalapag ko na. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, nalapag ko na yung channel ko. So, yan ang channel ko. So, kung i-press ko yan, ayan, yan, channel ko na lumabas. Yan. So, yan ang kung paano maglapag ng link ng channel mo, hindi video. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And click the bell notification. See you next video. Bye.